And now we're on video. See? Say hello. Hello. Hey. Hey. You got boogers. It's okay. Say hey. Say hey, people. Don't give them a shot of your nose. I need to get that sucker thing. There you go. I need to get the sucker thing. And, run through your eye. Whoa, it's too close. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, you really have to get that booger out of your nose. That's gross. Can you say, my name is Archer, and I enjoy Diet Sundrop, which you might see in the background? That's close enough. That's close enough, buddy. Love you. Mwah.